Ladies and gentlemen, the classic Mai Tai. So we get ice in our mixing glass, come behind that with some white rum, silver rum, whatever you want to call it, orange Curaçao, some fresh squeezed lime juice, all right? Some Orgeat Syrup, which is an almond syrup. Shake, ice in our glass, and we pour our mix in, okay? Beautiful, but we're still not done. Then you come behind that and you layer on some dark rum, okay? Beautiful drink, fun drink, created many, many years ago. Stick in an orange slice, pineapple, cherries, all that sexify your glass, and there you have it, a little bit of mint leaves, you know. Don't worry about the garnishes, it's the drink part that really matters. And there you have it, the classic Mai Tai. Why we got on all these jackets and stuff when it's supposed to be cool and what's she doing? All right? But it's a delicious, fun drink, tropical drink, classic drink, you name it, okay? It falls into all these different categories and it's awesome, you know? It's real fun drink to play around with. So I suggest you give the Mai Tai a try.